All the way home we felt we had a chance to review the codes before we were born, and to invite a new game of cants. Absorbed in the clouds, a voice from afar said, with the right device you can make a pattern grow, or you can tune up your car. So we stayed on the train, admiring the time, as the lights of the city drew near. We drank a little wine. They were blurry and green, outer space in between, with a depth in a form unclear. Then we saw it up ahead, a flickering lantern lit up on the tracks in the rocks that had covered up the bridge. From the banks of a river to the bed of a valley upstream, to the place where you live. The glass on the lantern cast back the side of a drive-in movie we drove by below. We saw where we'd been and the pictures within, projecting all the places we would go. So we followed the scenes and flowed up your steps to a smooth wooden floor in a trance. The train whistle melody wove through the trees and in through the door to signal the turns of a dance.
Take the last train to Clarksville and I'll meet you at the station. You can be here by 4:30, cause I've made your reservation. Don't be slow. No, no, no. No, no, no. Cause I'm leaving in the morning and I must see you again. We'll have one more night together till the morning brings my train and I must go. No, 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 no. And I don't know if I'm ever coming home. Take the last train to Clarksville, I'll be waiting at the station. We'll have time for coffee, belated kisses, and a bit of conversation. No, 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 no. Take the last train to Clarksville. Now I must hang up the phone. I can't hear you in this noisy railroad station. All alone I'm feeling low. No, no, no. No, no, no. And I don't know if I'm ever coming home. Take the last train to Clarksville and I'll meet you at the station. You can be here by 4:30, cause I've made your reservation. Don't be slow. No, no, no. No, no, no. And I don't know if I'm ever coming home. Take the last train to Clarksville. Take the last train to Clarksville.
ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone, I'm a-going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. I don't care how much money I gotta spend. Got to get back to my baby again. Lonely days are gone, I'm a-going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. When she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. Listen, mister, can't you see I got to get back to my baby once more? Anyway, yeah, get a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone, I'm a-going home.